Changes in the economy and related population shifts have left many once thriving downtowns in Appalachia shadows of their former selves, filled with empty storefronts, dilapidated buildings, and inadequate services for the remaining residents. But a partnership between the US EPA and the Appalachian Regional Commission is looking to change that. The DEP's Brianna Hickman has the details.
Thanks, Greg. The program is called Healthy Places for Healthy People, and it's come to the communities of Smithers and Montgomery in Fayette County to help folks there leverage healthcare facilities and resources that promote a healthier lifestyle into sustainable economic development. Downtown Montgomery is a little quieter these days now that WVU Tech shifted operations to the Beckley campus,
which is definitely very fresh and kind of raw in the citizens' minds in this area. But the silver lining is that, KVC Health Systems has come in to take over some of the campus, as has YMCA of the Kanawha Valley. And those are two partnerships that I don't think anybody foresaw when Tech left. And, a YMCA in this area really fits in well with this idea of trying to incorporate health and wellness into the community.
And that's the idea behind the Healthy Places for Healthy People initiative. Experts from the program will work with residents, local government officials, and partner healthcare facilities to develop plans and strategies that address long-term community needs. By focusing on healthcare providers and related businesses, as well as community-based amenities that emphasize healthy lifestyle choices, the program aims to help communities achieve a sustainable economic future.
One of the purposes of this program is to bring the federal agency partners to the conversation in the community so that we can listen to what they want to accomplish and see how our programs can better match up. So we'll be joined by other colleagues of mine from EPA, from Housing and Urban Development, from the Appalachian Regional Commission and other federal agencies, USDA, and others who will be able to hear what the vision is for this community and see how their programs might be able to help contribute to that.
And some of the initial work is already underway. The Fayette County Commission has created an inventory of dilapidated structures in the communities of Montgomery, Smithers, and Gully Bridge.
And considering the renewed effort for community development, economic development in the area, we felt like we really need to address the dilapidated structures to facilitate businesses, families moving into the area. And so when we looked at how to turn those liabilities into assets, we wanted to make sure that we turned them into assets that really helped out the community from a health standpoint.
I can see that there are tremendous assets that are here. Incredible natural beauty, buildings that have historic quality and character, a downtown that can really be built upon, institutions that are here like the community college and the hospital and other organizations that are clearly the linchpin for this community and bringing it together. And I've just only arrived. So over the next couple of days, we'll be learning even more about the assets that Montgomery and Smithers can build on to really create a healthy, vibrant place.
The group put together an initial 2-day workshop to bring the community together to discuss livability issues and economic development ideas and the roles health and healthcare partners can play. Ideas like transforming vacant storefronts, developing a more walkable downtown, and looking at ways to better connect towns with the surrounding rural areas.
Like many Appalachian communities that I've been fortunate to work with over the years, there are economic challenges that communities face. Loss of employers, loss of institutions to the community. These are challenges, but also opportunities. Opportunities to rethink what Montgomery and Smithers is all about and how health and economic vitality can be part of that conversation. So it is a challenge in terms of vacant buildings, blighted properties, and just broader economic challenges. But these are also opportunities that the community can seize.
So we feel like this is really a good opportunity to look at those dilapidated structures as maybe a new walking trail, maybe a new green space, maybe a fishing pier. And so that's really been our approach, and we feel like, with Montgomery's location between Charleston and Fayetteville, if we can get people to just stop and come into this community, it's got a lot going for it. We just need to kind of build on those assets.
Smithers, Montgomery, and Gully Bridge were one of 10 communities selected to participate in the program. Fayette County will partner with Montgomery General Hospital and New River Health Association to identify how the health and wellness sector can help reinvigorate the regional economy. For Environment Matters, I'm Brianna Hickman.
Thanks, Brianna. Plans are already underway to add a fishing pier along the Kanawha River in Montgomery. The group is also looking into other areas along the riverfront for additional redevelopment opportunities.